यस्तो चुलबुले होइन लाजको ल पनि नभएको मान्छे होइन तपाईँ यहाँ लजाइरहनु भएको
आई मिन अब त्यो स्क्रिप्टले त्यही मागेपछि त अब अलिकति लजाउनु पर्यो नि त अनि फर्स्ट अब नयाँ अरू देशमा गएपछि अलिकति धेरै चुलबुल पनि हुन मिलेन अब तपाईँहरू आज म चुलबुल छु भनेर सो या अलिकति मेरो क्यारेक्टर मेरो रोल चाहिँ अलिकति एकदमै इट्स भेरी साइलेन्ट भेरी यु नो एकदम सफ्ट
जुन चाहिँ म होइन
जुन चाहिँ म अभियसली होइन 1% पनि होइन म सोच्ने बेला कहिले पनि बोल लाइक आई डोन्ट थिङ्क एन्ड स्पिक मेरो प्रब्लम देखिहाल्नु भएको छ इन्टरभ्युजहरूमा पनि सो लाइक फन भेरी
मेच्युरिटी नआएको भनौँ
होइन मेच्युरिटी आएको जस्ट द्याट म आइम ओपन बुक अनि I'm someone I don't like to fake it. So more I could never pretend on media. So it never happened मेरो केसमा चाहिँ and that's why मलाई कति धेरै audience even because of me being so outspoken they love it.
Yes.
The interviews that I've given, the lines that I've said, it's become so much like all over Dapple and everything. So Chapalaro. So yeah, very grateful. I don't want to change who I am. I think I should not change for being myself. So yeah.
तपाईँले उहाँको उसमा अरेन्ज चटनीमा चाहिँ नेपाली नै बोलिरहनु भएको छ कि तपाईँलाई हामीले हिन्दीमा संवाद गरेको सुन्छौँ
हिन्दीमा बोल्नु अभियसली इट्स अ बलिउड सर्ट मुभी सो हिन्दीमै बोल्नु पर्यो
गाह्रो भयो हिन्दी बोल्न त्यो एक्सेन्ट पक्रिन कतिको गाह्रो भयो हाउ वाज द हिन्दी एक्सेन्ट
मेरा हिन्दी एक्सेन्ट कैसा लगा आपको
उनका जनरली आल्सो उनका हिंदी एक्सेंट इज नॉट हार्ड लाइक आई थिंक शी कैन कम टू इंडिया एंड फेक इट दैट शी
कैन शी रॉक इन इंडिया एज वेल
you watch the movie and you say it for yourself. But then I can say she's an amazing actor because, like, as I told you, the character that she played is very shy. And as soon as the camera shuts off and she becomes this bubbly girl, and I'm like, what just happened? So I think she's an amazing actor, and like the rest, I can like leave it up to you guys, and you guys can watch the movie. It'll come out probably like in a week, and you guys tell me if she can rock it in the movie or not.
Okay. Yeah. So I just saw you post actually after when we were called over here, then I watched you. I went through your profile and you wrote 4 days back. You wrote a very emotional caption on this orange chutney picture. You said that do people try to demean YouTubers in India?
I mean, it's not really demean, but what I said is it wasn't about just being a YouTuber. It's just that I don't know if you guys saw Obsession. It's made by a YouTuber, right? So my logic behind writing that was like if you go to a YouTuber who does make movies, like I'm saying, like obviously people follow trend now. So if they've seen a YouTuber make a movie and made like it was made in $1 million and it made like 130 million or something like. In India, it's like I can calculate it was made in 7 crores and it made 1,300 crores. So I was saying if people follow trend, I don't want them to go to people who are just famous for like different work. I think that worked because he was a YouTuber who made movies. Apart from the fact of just being a YouTuber, he made movies. I've been making movies like all my life. So that's what I was like trying to tell people that if people come and find people who want like, if they want to follow trend and find people who make great movies, I know like I'm one of them. I know a lot of my friends like back home. We've been doing this since like 13 years now, and I know everybody who do like make amazing movies. That's what I wanted to say. And rest you can like watch it when this movie comes out.
Sure, for sure. जस्तो अब तपाईँले अब अहिलेको टाइममा त हुन्छ नि नेपाली फिल्म पनि त गरिरहनु भएको छ नि त होइन नेपाल र भारतको काम गराइमा चाहिँ कतिको अन्तर पाउनु भयो एक हिसाबले होइन किनभने त्यहाँ त युट्युब नै काम गरे पनि त्यहाँ चाहिँ अलिकति बढी नै हुन्छ नि डिसिप्लिन छ या फिर अलिकति कामको एथिकल हिसाबले पनि अलिकति राम्रै काम गर्नुहुन्छ भन्ने खालको कुराहरू हामीले सुनिरहेको हुन्छ होइन तपाईँले त्यो डिफ्रेन्सिएट पाउनु भएको भयो
डिफ्रेन्स त अभियसली छ किनभने अब इन्डिया इज नोन फर बलिउड वी क्यान नट रिच अहिले बलिउड it's gonna take us very long time कि बलिउडको लेभलमा रिच हुनलाई सो त्यहाँको प्रडक्सन त्यहाँको म्यान पावर त्यहाँको एभ्रिथिङ इज भेरी भास्ट इट्स इन्सेन भन्दा हुन्छ सो नेपालले त्यो म्याच गर्न अलिकति टाइम लाग्छ आइम नट कम्पेयरिङ नेपाल र इन्डिया वी सुड नट कम्पेयर किनभने नेपालको आफ्नै त्यो खुबी छ र इन्डियाको आफ्नै स्पेसियालिटी छ सो नेपालमा काम गर्न मलाई आफ्नै देश भइरहेछ आफ्नै कन्ट्री आफ्नै घर यहीँ छ काम गर्न छुट्टै मजा आउँछ इन्डियामा काम गर्न छुट्टै मजा आउँछ अरूको देश अरूको भाषा त्यो पक्रेर त्यो बोल्नलाई उहाँले दे रिस्पेक्ट अस दे रिस्पेक्ट आर्टिस्ट रियली अ लट दे रिस्पेक्ट द आर्टिस्ट अनि इट्स भेरी गुड टु वर्क बोथ द कन्ट्री नेपाल र इन्डियामा काम गर्न चाहिँ एकदमै रमाइलो भइरहेछ उहाँ चाहिँ अनेस्टली भन्नु आई नेभर एक्सपेक्टेड आई वुड गेट टु वर्क इन इन्डिया एन्ड नेपाल एट द सेम टाइम सो आइम भेरी ग्रेटफुल भेरी ह्याप्पी
होइन हामीले पनि सोचेको थिएनौँ किनभने तपाईँलाई हामीले सोसियल मिडियामा देखिरहेको नि त तपाईँले कलाकारिता क्षेत्रलाई यसरी फलाङ लगाएर नेपाल र भारतलाई सँगै एउटै उसमा राख्नुहुन्छ भने हामीले पनि सोचेको थिएनौँ कतिको आफूलाई पनि गर्व लागिरहेको छ किनभने सोसियल मिडियामा काम गर्दाखेरि उहाँले आफूले लेखेको जसरी होइन जस्तै युट्युबलाई यस्तो भनिन्छ भन्ने खालको पोस्टहरू उहाँले आफूले लेखिरहँदाखेरि तपाईँलाई पनि त कलाकार भन्दा पनि टिकटकर भनेर बढी चिनिरहेको हो नि त होइन तर तपाईँले अहिले फिल्म गरिरहनु भएको छ होइन त्यो हिसाबले चाहिँ आफूले आफूलाई मैले गरेर देखाइरहेको छु ती सम्पूर्ण व्यक्तिहरूलाई जसले चाहिँ मलाई नै नकारात्मक प्रतिक्रियाहरू पनि दिइरहेको थियो भन्ने छ कि छैन
यस्तो मलाई मान्छेहरूले टिकटकर भन्दाखेरि मलाई कहिले पनि डिमिन गरेको छ कहिले पनि फिल भएन किनभने म त्यहीबाट आएको म टिकटक बनाएरै म यहाँसम्म आएको मलाई नेपालले चिन्नु भएको नै बिकज आई मेक फनी कन्टेन्ट्स मेरो बुवा र आमासँग म आफ्नो बाबा र मामुसँग भिडियो बनाएरै दे गट टु नो मी एज इभागिरी सो म कहिले पनि हुन्छ नि आई वुड नेभर बी लाइक ओ आम अ टिकटकर पिपल विल देयर नो किनभने मैले एउटा पोइन्टमा आई मेड पिपल लाफ कोभिडको टाइममा देवर सो मेनी पिपल टेलिङ मी आइम सो डिप्रेस्ड मलाई मेरो बुवालाई कोभिड भइरहेको छ तर सबैको भिडियो हेरेर मलाई कति खुसी हुन्छ मान्छेलाई रुवाउनु एकदम गाह्रो हुन्छ र हँसाउन चाहिँ एकदमै कठिन हुन्छ कि रुवाउनु एकदम सजिलो हुन्छ हँसाउन चाहिँ गाह्रो हुन्छ सो मैले त्यो गरेँ अनि आई वुड नेभर बी लाइक ओ माई गड म टिकटकर भएर यो हो त्यो हो तर इट्स नेभर डिफिकल्ट टु change being a content creator and move to movies kinabani you can do anything in life like anything is possible you can be a pilot you can be anything you want in life you just have to be confident and
You are super confident.
and ignore the negativity I would say because media ma धेरै मान्छेहरु हुनुहुन्छ social media ma धेरै नै negativity छ अहिले especially TikTok ma Instagram ma there is a lot of negativity सानो कुरामा एकदमै ठुलो नै इस्यु बनाइदिनु हुन्छ सानो कुरा लिएर एकदम इस्यु बनाइदिनु हुन्छ सो यस्तो फिल्डमा आउन चाहिँ I feel like you need to ignore all those comments all those negativities and just you know यसरी घोडा जसरी you have to be sharp like
लगाम.
this.
You know what I feel about this? Whatever I understood.
Oh, you understood it.
I
Okay.
understood.
Okay.
Whatever I feel in this is that whoever you think demeans people who do TikTok or Instagram, I would like to
All the
say,
social media platforms.
Yeah, but what I would like to say is like if people are making movies, there are only a bunch of people making movies, right? It's not democratic. It's
Yeah.
not. You can't just get and say that I want to be an actor and you get a movie instantly, right? Obviously, take a lot of time. This is the most democratic thing, right? So you're fighting against the whole world. You're fighting against the population of probably Nepal for her. So it's anybody can do it, right? And if she's reached here by in that wide, like
That
if,
range.
like that range, like if anybody can do it and she's reached here, that means like
That's a huge achievement.
yeah, that's a huge achievement, and that like you know you can say people, like you can talk about people in the movies if there are only a bunch of people who are doing it, and you're they're like. I guess Nepal's population is probably around 2-3 crore people. And this 2-3 crore people, if she's like in the top 1%, that means she's doing amazing.
So how did you find Eva?
I used to follow her work, and then yeah, when I was writing it, I don't know, it may sound weird now, but like when I was writing it, I had her in my mind, and then I just dropped her a text saying that hey, I've written something. There's this movie. I sent her a trailer of my last movie,
Okay.
and I told her, and that's also amazing.
You
If
were
have
the
time-
one who emailed her? Were you the one who emailed her? or
Yeah,
this is the-
I texted her on
You
Instagram.
approached her?
Yes. And I showed her the teaser of my last movie, and I told her that I've written something, and I'd like to send it to you. And if you really like it, just let me know. We can do it together. And I sent her, and I like generally when you like as a writer, I've directed and written this too. Generally, as a writer, when you send some like a script to someone, the normal response time is probably around like 3-4 days. She texted me back like in an hour saying that I'm doing this.
Okay.
I'm like, you read this already? She was like, yeah, it's amazing.
Okay. So have you seen her that parody video of Sayyara? Have you seen that video?
Yes.
How did you find it?
It was really funny. Yeah.
Uh-huh.
If you guys know me, I do funny videos and I
Yes.
laughed a lot.
That
in
was
that.
like a
I know the
nice
whole.
one.
No, I saw.
No, you
No, the
already.
parody one I saw.
No, he found.
Not the parody, I recreated the
He recreated the old song actually.
I saw the parody one, I guess.
yeah, the other one I guess
Yeah,
you
yeah.
saw
Okay,
that.
She recreated the old song actually.
Yeah?
With one of the actor over here, Kunsan Bomzam is over here, right? Okay. So a very warm welcome to Nepal.
Thank you so much. It's my first time.
Oh, it's
in
your
Nepal.
first
Yeah,
time?
it's my first time in Nepal.
Okay, so are you excited of being here?
I'm really excited. I went to Pashupatinath Mandir today and it was so divine. Like, great start, I guess.
Okay, so how did orange chutney happen?
It happened like in like super rush. I was thinking about an idea which could relate to like Gen Z people, and then I started writing it, and it eventually like it turned out to be this orange chutney. It's a rom-com. I've been doing this since like past probably like 13 years, and I can say this is my best work so far.
Okay. So how was it working with Eva Giri?
It was amazing. She's as jolly as like she is like right in front of you guys.
She's chutney material.
Yeah.
Oh, wow.
But you should watch her in the movie.
Okay.
She's playing like totally opposite to chutney material. She's playing a really shy girl from Nepal.
You're a shy girl in orange chutney?
Do you think so, I am?
हामी नेपालीमै बोलौँ नेपाली अडियन्सको लागि तपाईँको तर्फबाट चाहिँ होइन तपाईँ